Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making pineapple chicken stir fry. Look at this, juicy chicken, fresh pineapple, and that glossy sweet and tangy sauce. And it smells just as good as it looks. Here I've got a chicken breast, sliced on a slight angle. Don't go too thin, otherwise it might tear when you mix it with the marinade. Let's season it with about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of white pepper. Give that a quick mix. Now crack in half an egg white and mix again. The egg white helps make the chicken silky and tender. Next, add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, not potato starch. Just regular cornstarch works best here. Mix it in until it's evenly coated. And finally, seal it off with just a touch of oil. This keeps the chicken moist and helps it fry nicely. Now for the pineapple. I've cut it into slightly thick slices like this. And set that aside. Let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, half a tablespoon of white vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Pour in a bit of warm water, just under half a bowl, about 100 milliliters, and mix until smooth. That's our sweet and tangy sauce base. I've also got some red and green bell pepper chunks, just to add some crunch and brighten things up. Alright, let's get cooking. And all the ingredients and the measurements are down in the description, so feel free to check there if you need them. Let's heat some oil in the wok. Drop in a chopstick, and if it bubbles instantly, we are good to go. Now gently slide the chicken. Spread it out with chopsticks so it doesn't clump. Don't cook it too long. We just want it to turn white. Then scoop it out and let it drain. Now add a bit of fresh oil and toss in the pineapple. Stir fry it for a bit until it smells fruity and sweet. And then pour in the sauce we made. Keep stir frying. Let the pineapple absorb the flavor of the sauce. Then in go the red and green peppers. Stir quickly, just until they are slightly softened. Add the chicken back in. Give everything a nice toast so it's all coated in that beautiful sauce. And that's it. We are ready to plate. Just look at that color. Golden pineapple, tender chicken, and those glossy bell peppers. This sweet and tangy dish is a total crowd pleaser. Kids love it. Grandparents love it. Let me try a bite first. How do I even describe how good this is? It's juicy, bright, sweet, and just the right touch of sour. Try it yourself and tell me in the comments how it rocked your taste buds. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.